Local lockdown is coming to Scotland's biggest city. A new COVID cluster has emerged here. Almost half of all new Scottish cases have been detected in the Greater Glasgow area. It's rising quickly, and this evening Nicola Sturgeon was shown evidence the transmission is not coming from pubs or restaurants, but inside people's homes. This prompted the First Minister to make an emergency statement.
From midnight tonight, if you live in local authority areas of East Renfrewshire, the City of Glasgow or Western Bartonshire, you should not host people from other households in your home, and you should not visit someone else's home, no matter where that is.
As well as restrictions on households, indoor visits to hospitals and care homes will also be limited to essential only. But there are exceptions. Extended households can continue arrangements as before, for example, partners not living together or single parents. And key workers are allowed to keep informal childcare arrangements, for example, with relatives.
I think this is sending a warning signal that if we want to keep schools open and we want to keep other businesses open, then just restricting those types of indoor gatherings is really important, particularly as we head into the colder weather in Scotland.
There has been some confusion, though, when people hear where they are now allowed to meet friends and family. You can meet them at the pub, or you can meet them at a restaurant, but just not in their house.
That's weird, because the restaurant and the pub is the public space, but their house is, for privacy. It's more safety compared to the restaurant, right?
These are the rules.
I'd rather do that than having a bigger lockdown where you can't work anymore and then study's going to be even more complicated.
If the smaller lockdowns can prevent a larger lockdown, I'm definitely up for the smaller lockdowns.
Yeah. So you're willing to put up with it?
Yes.
You have to meet your friends in the pub now.
That's fine. I can do that.
Nicola Sturgeon held all of Scotland in lockdown for longer, and the coronavirus numbers here came down. Her recent decision-making has drawn praise, and today's call, she says, is all about keeping schools and businesses here open against the backdrop of a COVID cluster.